Hello, this is going to be a big general catch up from the last couple of months. Lots of things been going on. It's really starting to look good. So yeah, sit back, relax, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I will show you what we've been up to. Okay, this little all-seeing eye triangular window. That just went in beautifully. It fits just, it's beautiful. So this is a room that was originally going to be a bedroom, but now we've decided it's going to be a kind of library, hi-fi, chill room with the roof terrace. We're nearly there in here, nearly there in here. Just this little bit here around the stairs. Shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. Wow, it really transforms this place. Gonna have bookshelves in those bits here. Nice big sofa there. Hi-fi here. And that's it. Coffee table and a rug. And then a bedroom upstairs. That window's pretty cool up there. Okay. That is all done. And my measurements worked out well. I ended up spot on this step, which I guess I need to raise slightly for it to be level. So maybe I'll just pull this up at some point and just shim it underneath so that it's all smooth. But yeah, there you go. Looking good. So one thing we did in the last couple of months is start to seriously think about the vegetable garden and getting that going this year. So we very fortunately got 20 tons of cow shit from our neighbour. Amazing stuff, like really good quality stuff. Here I am in the tractor with, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 tons of cow shit in the back. It's anyway, such a magical day. Snow's falling off the trees. It's amazing. Kan ligga kvar i norra delen av Skåne 2-4 plusgrader på dagen. Svag eller måttlig. That was really fun. Okay, here's Elsa looking like something from Back to the Future, painting on some chalk paint, which is basically chalk powder, water and animal bone glue, and it's amazing stuff. If ever you want some really cheap, beautiful looking white paint, make some chalk paint. Wow, what a moment. The first drop of paint going onto the barn complex. Okay, we're going to cast more concrete worktops, this time little baby ones. One of them to go in here, and the other one to go in here. Look, the toilets are on, the ceilings are painted. Yeah, it's getting there. And then later on I'm going to put in the kitchen cooker and the sink and everything. But for now, we're going to put the concrete in the concrete mould.
phew.
Wow. I can see it from here on the telephone.
Yeah, that's what people can. So they film. That's how people film.
Keep it there, Al.
Okay.
Keep filming.
I am filming.
Okay, I've just been tidying up the kitchen a bit, just trying to line things up and refitting things that were a bit wonky. The fridge door, I did try to straighten it, but it snapped. So I've used Vincent's old desk, which I'm thinking maybe we should make it into a blackboard. Maybe that's kind of cool. Anyway, I think it's quite nice. And yeah, fixed this little bit down here. This was all a bit funky before, but that's all looking nice. And now I'm putting on the handles, and these handles used to be in the dairy. These were used to basically tie up the cows to the milking machines. And I think they're very beautiful. This is starting to look really cool. There we go. Grinding all the edges here so that I can start laying the wooden floor, the parquet. It's looking very cool in here, and the sun's come out, and combined with all the dust, it's getting some nice heavenly rays coming in. Yeah. And that is that. Wowzers. What a mission. So the most successful video of all this Sweden building series on our channel has been me screwing up building that dry stone wall. We've called in an expert. Elsa has developed skills after doing the whole gatehouse. So today she is trying to continue building that wall down and making it higher. In the meantime, I'm going to screw up doing this one around the what's going to be the greenhouse eventually. But it's very low, so it's pretty simple. There's my wall. There's Elsa's wall. Looking so good. Alright, this room is all sanded, looking very beautiful, me in my slippers. Yeah, it just needs Elsa's oily touch and it'll be done. Cool. Now I just got to do this one. God, looks good though. Man, look at this. Elsa's been oiling all the floors. I mean, this place is done, basically. God, it looks so good. Beautiful Douglas fir floor. Oops. Kitchen downstairs. I've been waxing the floors. It's been tough just to find the right stuff. Well, we still didn't find the right stuff, but it's looking all right for now. I've ordered some stuff from Germany, so we might redo or add some more wax in a few weeks' time. But for now, it's looking pretty good. I did beeswax in here. Yeah, looks good on camera. Elsa's painting a blue wall or a green wall, according to Elsa. But I said teal. Okay. Yeah, but this is really. Oh yeah, and the floor is white. Yeah. Okay, I am starting to set up the workshop at last, which is very exciting. And I'm taking the opportunity to repair and clean the machines. Bandsaw is nice and clean, waxed, looking good. The planer switch got blown up by a power spike a few weeks ago, so I've replaced the switch. That's working. And again, it's all waxed up. Feeling good. So now I'm just cleaning out the miter saw, taking it to bits, giving it a good clean and give it some wax and stuff. Try and bring this back to life a bit. Anyway, this is exciting. We're finally setting something up for real. So we got given a whole load of old shelves and bits of stuff from the neighbour, including this old desk, which is kind of warped. Anyway, I'm going to try and chop it all up and make some sort of workshop storage system out of it. That's my plan. Looking good. I fixed these tables, which all kind of warped a little bit in the cold. So they're all straight, and I filled the corners where they kind of came apart. So the worktop tables, the workshop tables. So the workshop tables are back in business. Finally, we are finishing off the kitchen floor, which we've been experimenting with linseed oil, varnish, and all kinds of things, which seemed to do okay, but we're now finishing it off with good old Osmo Betong. Good old Osmo Betong oil, which is a kind of wax and oil mixture. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. pretty crazy mottled design. Ah well, you live and learn. Once it's all waxed up with a few rugs on it, it's going to look great. Is that right, Alf?
Yeah.
Is it? Is it going to look great?
Maybe.
Is it? Yes, it is. Look, we've opened up a bit of the ceiling too. It's going to be cool in here. And speaking of cool in here, well, it is bloody cold in here, but the workshop is coming to life. I've been building cupboards and what else have I been doing? Putting up shelves that the neighbour gave us. Building a weird drawer unit thing. Now I'm going to put this cupboard up on the wall here above what's going to be the kind of metal working area for now. Yeah. Hey Elsa. Alright, I'm here. Where am I? Okay, I'm here in the old chicken horror house cellar, which is all dug out now, ready for a nice new concrete floor on Tuesday. And I'm just trying to make sure that we don't have rainwater coming down here and going into the basement, because I think it would be nice to pour a new stairwell thing out of concrete too. But I thought I would dig a big ditch as deep as I can, which kind of hitting rocks now, so I think that is as deep as I can go, which I will somehow build some forms there so that we pour concrete there and concrete in here, and then I will fill this with stones and gravel and stuff, and maybe get a drain cover thing, which I will then mix up a bit of concrete myself and just make a nice job of feathering it in somehow. Yeah, don't really know what I'm doing as usual, but I think it will be okay. Worst case scenario is then at a later stage we have to dig out this bit of ground here to get underneath this wall, and then we can extend the drain out onto the land somewhere. But I think for now this will be alright. Taking shape. Now all we need is some plants. Just a little bit left to do on this side, and the trailer is still pretty full. I've got to try and loosen up some of this now so we can tip it back. Okay, Felix is getting the last stuff down that won't slide down. Mountain climbing. Shall I climb in there too? Meanwhile, Elsa has totally transformed this floor. It looks amazing. It's got this crazy palm tree sort of thing built into it from the polishing machine. But all thanks to Osmo. The last 2 coats of Osmo, and it's just, yeah, it's fucking cool. So there you go, that kind of almost brings us up to date. There is another couple of videos on the way. We've started building the recording studio. Yeah, that's very exciting. We've done the floor and the kind of floor wiring and insulated the floor. That's on another video which will be out in the next few days sometime. Thanks very much for watching. Sorry for my dishevelled appearance. It's been a long few months, but yeah, please keep watching, keep coming back, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Lots of love. Goodbye.